Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are continuing our Java series. So let's start with the part 3, which is inheritance in Java. Inheritance is defined as a mechanism where one class inherits the features of another class, which means that the child class which is going to inherit can acquire the properties of the parent class. Okay, the class which acquires or inherits the features is called as a child class. This means that it can inherit the properties from another class. Once it's getting inherited, that particular class is known as the parent class. Fine. Now, the parent class contains only its own features, whereas the child class can contain both the features of its own and parent class. This means that the parent class can have only its particular member functions and member variables, but the child class can contain its own member functions and member variables and also can access the member functions and the member variables of a parent class. An object created for parent class can access only parent class members, while as the child class object can access both the class members. As we have yesterday learned about the objects and how it's created and how to initialize an object, we know about the objects that it is used to access the members of a class. Here, when you create an object of a parent class, it can only access the parent class members, while the child class can access both the class members. This means that with using child class object, you can access both parents class members and child class members. The child class can acquire the properties of the parent class by using the keyword extends. This means that extends keyword is used in order to acquire the properties from the parent class. The general syntax for inheritance in Java: class child extends parents. This means that here child class is inheriting the properties of the parent class by using the word extend. So here class is the keyword to declare any class. Child is the name given by me to uh, to a class which is inheriting, while extends is the keyword to inherit the properties, and parent is also a name given by me to a class. Let's understand this better with an example. Here, as you can see, class is again the keyword, and the child class here is employee, which is extending. This means that it's acquiring properties that are inheriting from the parent class, that is known as company. Let's understand the concept of inheritance with a simple example. First of all, let's create a parent class by using the keyword class, and let's name it as student. Now we will define the class by opening its parenthesis and declaring member variables. Here, student name and student ID are my member variables, which I have assigned student name as John and student ID as 20. We will finish its definition by closing the parenthesis. Now we will create another class which inherits our student class. Here I am naming it as student details, which extends student, which means that it inherits the student class. Let's define it here. I am creating a member function display to display the contents of the parent class, and finally I am creating the main method class. And let me tell you one thing, the member function display contains system.out.println, which is our printing function, which is used to print the output to the console. So let's come back to the main method class. As we all know that without main method class, our Java program will not get finished. And an object of the child class is created, and I named it as SD, which means student details. And here SD is used to access the member functions of the student details class to display its contents. The output here will be name followed by colon, which I have given in the system.output.println statement, which is our printing statement, followed by name which I have given in the class student, which is John, and student ID followed by colon and 20. That's it for today's guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. For detailed notes, mail me at bashirofficial2000@gmail.com. And finally, stay home, stay safe, learn well. Bye bye.